G'day guys, welcome back. In this week's video, we head out to Preston Beach for the night. We take the patrol out for a spin, have some beach cook-ups and cocktails with some mates. Let's get into it. We're heading out to Preston Beach today and we've got a guest with us. We've got Bailey with us.
How are you, fellas?
Yeah, good. So, how many times have you been out to Preston Beach?
Countless. As a kid, having the beach house out here. Yeah, too many to count, that's for sure. Definitely a good beach.
Can't say the same for us. We're not really beach people, but it'd be good to get out somewhere different instead of the river.
Yeah, for sure. And it's a good beach to drive as well. Definitely a bit soft in some places. Depends what time of year you go out there. Obviously, Australia Day, Christmas, it's going to be pretty chopped up, but it should be pretty good at the moment. Just sort of coming out of winter, it probably hasn't had too much traffic, so it should be good.
We found a whale already. It's like a little baby whale. Or it's just the bones that are left. I think it's just bones that are left, if I'm being honest. There it is, right there. There's a little bit of meat on it. That's kind of cool. I didn't think it'd be here already. We're like literally not very far from the entrance at all.
That I changed, but maybe I did. But even if I changed, what's wrong with it?
Alright, made it to the beach and it's time for a cocktail. Brought the good old trusty Nutribullet portable blender and we're going to make a chocolate peanut butter cocktail. That's the vibe we're going for. We've got some of Bailey's homemade peanut butter liqueur, and then we've got Kahlua, and then our coffee liqueur, and then also our vodka as well. We finally decided to use our standard squeeze bottle. We've had this for so long and we've never set it up, but now that we're prepping for a long trip and we're trying to reduce our weight as much as possible, we thought we'd give it a whirl and see how it goes. So I've got some vodka in here. I'm just gonna guess like I always do. You guys can't trust me to measure things. So I'm just gonna chuck everything in, give it a blend and see how we go. Up on. I'm making it out of the back of Bailey's car. I'm on the other side. The wind is absolutely tunneling in on us. So I'm trying to escape the wind as much as I can. But yeah, got our ice in here. And then I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. I guess it will be similar to our hot chocolate ones that we made, but at the moment all I've got to put in it is just alcohol, so I'm a little bit worried that it might be a bit strong. So we've got our chocolate liqueur. I'm only going to put a little bit of Kahlua in it because Riley doesn't like coffee as much. Oh my goodness. You cannot take me anywhere without making a mess. Cut back to all of our videos. You're joking. It's not my fault though, it's the wind's fault, otherwise that wouldn't have happened. Alright, let's add some of this in. Oh yeah, that smells good. That's what we're looking like. That looks yummy. I'm gonna go get some milk to add in. And then we'll see how it goes. It could be an absolute bust and it could taste terrible, but we'll see. Got the milk to add in. I'm also gonna, I need to open it. You'd think I've already had 10 cocktails at this point. There we go, starting to look a bit like a coffee. All right, let's try and blend it. A little bit worried how well it's going to blend, and then I'll taste it and we can see what we need to add or if it's absolutely terrible. Put the lid on. A little shake. Start her off good. All right. Let's try it. It's okay, it's very strong. I'm not sure on this one, guys. Oh, I'm so glad that didn't go on the sand because that would have been fun. I think I might actually have to add more milk. It's not as fun as shaking a cocktail shaker, but definitely a good let's try it. Oh yeah, that's it. That's the spot. So much better.
How about a whiskey, chocolate? I don't know.
6 different types of alcohol cocktails.
Great way to
Cheers.
start.
I'm not.
Well, that's actually not as strong as I thought.
Yeah, I had to add more milk because I
That's
tasted
actually,
it. It's good, eh?
I can taste the peanut butter whiskey.
Yeah.
Yeah. I tasted it and it literally tasted like having a vodka shot in the morning. So I had to add more milk and ice to it to chill it down. I probably went a little bit too far back the other way, but no,
Oh, too much milk.
too much milk. Gonna enjoy our cocktails and get blown away.
Yes.
Gonna cook up some sausages. On the menu today we've got jalapeno and cheddar, Spud's Shed special, and
Garlic and parsley.
coals. So I'm gonna chuck them on. Have these now, and then we'll probably have a little cook up later as well. As you can see, it is now dark, so we've just started cooking some dinner. I've got some pasta, just the quick easy packs on the go, and then we're gonna have burgers, I think. This is the
Yeah,
plan.
we'll have some burgers. All right. Yeah, that's the plan at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
More of a chill night. Have a couple beers, chillax. First time we've been camping in months, so we just kind of want to relax.
It's also a bit of a test run for our upcoming trip. We will have a couple of videos coming out in the next week or so explaining where we're going and what we're doing. We've given you a little bit of a sneak peek with the car. As you'll see, the rooftop tent is now on the patrol, so that might give you a bit of a hint as to what we might be doing and why it needs to be on the patrol. We're pretty excited for that, but this is sort of a test run to see how everything goes set up in the patrol. Still missing a few bits and pieces that we need to set up.
But that's just easy stuff. It's just, it doesn't need it, but it will just make our lives easier.
It's nice to be somewhere different as well. As you guys know, we're definitely not beach people. We don't get out.
We don't go to the beach very often.
No. When we head down south. So it's nice to be somewhere a little bit different rather than just the river or, I don't know. Normally we just camp at the river, so it is good to be out somewhere different. Yeah, we're gonna let this come to a boil and then I'll take the lid off. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep stirring this because it will stick to the pot really easily. When we were in Kalbarri, we made this one of the days and it stuck to the pot and we still haven't been able to get it off. I don't want to use a scourer because I'm worried it will wreck the paint or whatever is on it. So I haven't used a scourer on it, so it's still got a little bit of the burnt stuff on the bottom of it. But it's our good cheap Aldi set. I only paid $50 for it, which is not that cheap, but it does come in the whole set with the pan and the little kettle as well, which all packs into this tiny little, into the pot, which is really good. You don't have to carry multiple cooking things that take up lots of space. But yeah, if you guys want to see some of the other stuff that we like to take camping with us, I did a camping must-haves video not that long ago. Updated version. I did film one about a year ago as well, of all the things that are camping must-haves and we tend to take with us every time we go camping, and this was one of the things. And our cooker as well. We're using this for about a year now. It's a rough country one. Picked it up at the Fall Drive show for 50 bucks as well, and we've had no issues with it. It's way smaller than our big cooker in the gas bottle, so we can't really complain. But yeah.
Never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you turn around your back on each other. That's a good idea. Promise to your mother. Turn around your back on each other and me. Now our friends are gone, are gone. Now the time goes on and on. And all I know is it's wrong, it's wrong.
G'day guys, sorry to interrupt this video, but I've got some exciting news. We've got new merch dropping. We have just brought out our embroidered patches. These are now live on our website. They feature a sew-on back, so if you want to chuck them on a shirt or anything, you can. But we also provide you guys with a piece of Velcro so that you can stick it on your 4B. Check it out in the link down below, or scan the QR code here, which takes you straight to our website. I'll let you guys get back to the video. Good morning guys, it's the next morning, and I am going to make us a matcha. Some of you probably don't know what matcha is. It's a green version of the coffee. It's supposedly a lot healthier for you, slower release and everything. I've been drinking it for a while now, and I've gotten Riley onto it now as well. Going to be using Manny's matcha to make our matchas today. I'm going to make a matcha frappe in our portable blender as well. So I've just got my matcha powder, some milk, and then we like to use some natural honey to sweeten it as well. So I'm going to tip the milk in first, and then we'll add our matcha powder in. I don't know how well this is going to go because this is how much milk I've got left. I used too much last night and I only brought one with us, so it'll be interesting to see how that goes. Let's put some of our matcha powder in. So that's it there. I use a sieve to sieve it in, especially when I'm having more of like a fresh one, but because this one is just going to be like a frappe, I'm not going to worry about whisking it because it's going to get all blended up. And I'm also just going to guess. Not going to put too much in because it's only really small. We'll start with that, and then if I need to add more, I can add more. And then just a little bit of our honey. Everything's going pretty good with our setup changes. I'm liking them so far. But yeah, it'll obviously be a real test when we go away. Look how beautiful that honey is. It's not full of all that other stuff that they add to the honey in the shops. Just a natural honey. So gonna start with that amount, and then I can add more if we need to. I'm hoping it blends because there's not very much liquid in it, so. All right, let's try it. Pretty good, I do say. Obviously would be better with more milk and cooler, but good way to start our morning, and it's like how I like to start my morning.
That'll pretty much wrap this video up for us.
The end of our trip. Nice little one night stay.
Down at the beach was nice. We don't do too much beach camping, so this is more of a trial video.
If you guys want to see us do a little bit more beach camping, comment down below and let us know.
We do have a pretty good trip planned, so definitely stay tuned for that one. Hope you enjoyed.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we'll catch you in the next one.
Cheers for watching.